Welcome, friends, to another episode of Messy Queen DIY. I'm your host, Miss Messy, formerly Mrs. Messy, and as you can probably tell, I'm incredibly depressed. Why, you ask? Because my lashes are so incredibly small. But never fear, everyone, because I know just what I need. A good lashing. That's right, folks. Today we're going to lash out and learn how to make paper lashes. Chunky yet funky. Wispy and tipsy.
Yarg, Spider-Woman, yarg, Spider Noise.
With paper lashes, you can go from this to this. Paper lashes are the perfect way to improve your mood and your mug.
Well, let's get started. Here are the materials, girl. Ooh, yes. So the first thing you need is some black paper. It's very important. You're going to need some scissors to cut that black paper. And some lash glue. Tweezers, because tweezers be tweezing. And of course, for paper lashes, you're going to need some lashes to start with. Ooh, she's a messy queen. Okay, step one is to get that black paper and fold it in half. Here you can see I'm cutting about 10 lashes per each eye. These first ones are kind of chunky and funky. The middle ones are more wispy and tipsy. And the last one is Spiders on the Runway, Club Kid Tarantula Eyes. All done cutting. Stickening, no? So I'm placing one lash at a time with the tweezers. And I'm overlapping the paper a little bit to help reinforce it.
Mama, I'm finished! Well, don't these lashes look fabulous? Thank you for watching my 5th anniversary video in my award-winning series, Messy Queen DIY. I'd like to thank you, the listeners, for supporting me all these years. In between my rehab stint for house pain addiction, my 2 messy divorces with 3 different men, and my 6 attempted arson attempts and arson-related lawyer fees, I really thank you for always sticking by me. Y'all's explicit letters of support and threats to retaliate on my behalf really kept me going this year. Thank you for watching!